Hello everyone. For this do-it-yourself project we need two 20mm tees, a polypropylene pipe, 4 elbows, 4 7cm pipe pieces, 20 cm of pipe and 3 60cm long pieces. We will also need 2 meters of self-regulating heating cable. The cost on AliExpress for 2 meters is 197 rubles. To start, drill a hole in one corner with a 5mm drill bit. Next, take one piece of pipe and heat it with a heat gun, then put the corner piece on and immediately take it off. You'll see why we do this later. Do the same thing on the other side. This is how it should look. The corners should come off easily. The second piece of pipe should look the same. Now take the 7cm pieces and weld them into the tees. Using the same angle bracket on the opposite side of the pipe, you need to make, so to speak, a mounting point for further assembly of our structure. You should end up with two parts like this. And we also make mounting points on the third section of pipe. And this is what all the parts will need look like. Now take the self-heating wire and thread it through the pipes as shown in the video. To be continued. Using glue, connect all corners and tees with the pipes. Now it became clear why we didn't immediately weld the corners to the pipes. It's just that we wouldn't have been able to pull the wire through this structure. Now we take the corner where we made the hole, thread a piece of wire through it, and secure it from the other side with a cable tie. After that, we connect the wire to the heating cable and also stick the corner in place. And this is the construction we ended up with. We attach the plug to the wire. While working, I had an idea on how we could improve our invention a little. And for that, we need a piece of pipe about 20 centimeters long, into which we need to hammer a wooden plug. Everything extra needs to be cut off flush. Next, drill a 2mm hole and use a self-tapping screw to attach a clip for the same pipe. On the other side, we solder a cap. And we need to make 2 of these parts. Now we attach them to the previously made structure. Well, now all that's left is to screw 2 clips to the wall. We secure our invention in the clips and plug it into the socket. And now we have this wonderful little shelf where you can dry your shoes. The heating temperature of this shelf is about 50 degrees. I think that's enough for shoes, but if someone needs more, you can just fold the wire in half. Who liked this do-it-yourself project? Give the video a like and share it with your friends. By the way, if you don't need the shelf, you can always fold it up and it won't take up much space. Thanks for watching, goodbye.